Okay guys, let's have a look at the first question in this paper then, paper 2. For this section we're on page 3 and it's question 1. Okay, so let's have a little look at it then. Should be fairly straightforward start, a little scatter plot here. So let's read the question then. Question 1. The scatter diagram shows the heights here and the waist, so that'll be across the other way, won't it? Measurements in centimetres of 12 people. So the 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 of these in a darts club. In a darts club, okay. So there we are. And there's the waist and the heights. And there's the 12 people represented there by their height and waist. So let's have a look at the questions then. So the first one, part A, write down the height and waist measurement of the tallest of the 12 people. So tall measure a height. So if I go across the highest, one of these with the highest height is this one here. And that's got a 180 height, hasn't it? And it comes down this line here. So let's just have a look at what the waist is for that one, shall we? Comes down here, and that will be down that line, 100. So see it, 180 by 100. It's nothing more fussy than that really. So let's just put that in. So the tallest person is of height 180 centimeters, and the waist was 100, like we said. Okay, it's part A done. Write down the type of correlation shown by the scatter diagram. Well, we can see where the drift is, can't we? If you think about it, if you're going to draw a line through it, it's going to be that, it's going to go up. So the correlation is positive, isn't it? It's just going, as one increases, so does the other. So it's positive correlation, isn't it? Yeah, agreed? It's an upwards drift. So the type of correlation, we'd put positive, so let's write that in. Positive. Okay, that's that bit done. Good. Next bit. Draw by eye a line of best fit on the scattered diagram. Now I'm going to find that tricky with this software. You should find it a lot easier if you have a transparent ruler, because you can just see then either side of the ruler line and get roughly the same distribution on one side as the other. So I'm going to try and find some sort of point in the middle. So I reckon it's probably about somewhere around here. If I start there, I'll have to redo it if I don't get it, mind, of course. I'm going to go up to, say, about there, just maybe about, I think just about there actually. Okay, so I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 on the line, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. But the ones on this side are slightly further away than the ones on that side. There's more on that side than that side. So it could, the line I think could come down just a smidge. But it's not too bad, that. Not too bad. It could be tweaked slightly less steep as well, couldn't it? But I think there's there or thereabouts, and I'm going to stick with that. Okay. So it says draw by a line of best fit. So that was by eye, the line of best fit scatter diagrams. We've done part C then. And now the next bit, part D. Estimate the height of another member of the darts club with a waist measurement of 90 centimeters. So using this graph then, estimate the height of another member of the darts club with a waist measurement of 90. So the waist measurement's 90, so I'm going to draw a line for this. And I'm going to go up from 90 and go up to the line. And then I can make, based on that line, I can make an educated guess then, can't we? Go up at 90, there's the waist and here's the height. So I'm going to read off the height and I'm going to draw a little line in here so that I'm absolutely clear where I am. About there. Whoops, no, I'm not going to do that one. Let's just get rid of that line. Sorry. Do another one. Because I want to come across straight, if I can help it. So hopefully, yeah, that's straight. See it? So 160 and that's 170, and there's 10 squares in between. So each square is a unit. So that's 169. So I'm just going to write that in here. 169 centimeters. And that was 90. Yeah, so I just put that in for my own information, just to double check I've done it okay. So the height, waist is 90, the height was, we said 169, didn't we? So let's put that down. So we estimate that it's 169 centimeters. Okay then. Good. Fairly straightforward question then, isn't it? Nice easy starter question. So that's page 3 done. Good. Let's go on to the next one. Great.